Practical guidance for water mastery. Navigating various water sources and understanding modern purification techniques are essential skills for ensuring water safety. Pure Waters provides readers with practical guidance to master these techniques, enabling them to identify and mitigate different types of water pollution effectively. By equipping readers with the knowledge to navigate diverse water sources, the book empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their water consumption. DIY solutions for water resilience. From creating water storage containers at home to obtaining water in diverse conditions, Pure Waters offers step-by-step instructions for DIY solutions. These practical strategies enable readers to build resilience by harnessing readily available resources to secure their water future. By empowering individuals to take proactive measures, the book fosters self-reliance and confidence in water survival skills. Ensuring quality assurance. Understanding how to check water quality and disinfect storage surfaces effectively is paramount to maintaining water safety. Pure Waters provides readers with essential insights into quality assurance measures, enabling them to ensure the cleanliness and safety of their water supply. By equipping individuals with the tools to assess and address potential risks, the book instills confidence in water management practices. Empowerment through knowledge. Cultivating confidence in water survival is central to Pure Waters. Through expert guidance and practical tips, the book empowers readers to transform their worries into confidence and expertise. By arming individuals with the knowledge and skills to handle water-related challenges effectively, the book fosters a sense of empowerment and resilience in any situation. Comprehensive resource for water preparedness. Pure Waters serves as a comprehensive resource for strengthening water preparedness skills. With access to a glossary of key terms and essential information, readers can deepen their understanding of water management principles and techniques. Whether facing emergencies or everyday challenges, the book equips individuals with the knowledge to navigate any water-related situation with confidence. Author expertise and life-changing insights. Benefiting from the author's extensive experience and deep knowledge, readers can trust Pure Waters as a reliable source of information. By learning from a trusted expert, individuals can gain life-changing insights that enable them to overcome water-related challenges with ease. From mastering hydration to DIY purification, the book offers transformative wisdom to empower readers on their journey to water resilience. In conclusion, Pure Waters, Mastering Hydration and DIY Purification stands as a beacon of knowledge and empowerment in the realm of water security. Through practical guidance, DIY solutions, quality assurance measures, and empowerment strategies, the book equips individuals with the tools to navigate any water-related challenge with confidence. By transforming worries into expertise, Pure Waters empowers readers to embrace water resilience and secure their water future in any environment.